from Bomas to Gong Liscos is also endorsed by this National Delegates Convention. 3, any variation to the notice period that may have occurred is also endorsed by this special National Delegates Convention. Wale ambao wanakubaliana na hayo matatu nimesema waseme as of many who are of that opinion say aye. As of those who are on contrary opinion say nay. Wako bali hao walipotea. Your Excellency, the party leader of Jubilee Party, and the 4th President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, all elected members of the National Assembly and the Senate who are here, all former members of Parliament, members of Senate, members of the County Assembly who are here, members of the County Assembly who are currently serving, all distinguished delegates. I want to say that I'm honored and humbled to stand before you today at this important moment in our country's history, in our party's history, during this Jubilee Special National Delegates Convention or conference this day, the 22nd of May, 2023. You will all recall that we last had our NDC on the 26th of February, 2022, when the delegates mandated us to conduct the process of preparing for the general elections which were held on the 9th of August, 2022. During that NDC, we also resolved